Let's look at how the Absoft JVB template handles the accounting for non-operated licenses in the Norwegian continental shelf. At the outset of the license arrangement, or at the acquisition of equity in a new license, key information about the license is stored in the system. This allows the system to simplify future postings and processes. Within the joint operating agreement, you record the equity shareholding which you have for each equity group within the license. Within the joint venture, you record who the operator of the license is, along with confirming whether the operator will be issuing cash calls to partners or whether they will be charging partners by way of the billing invoice. Having stored this key information about the license, you are ready to start making postings to the license in the system. The first posting is likely to be that of a cash call received from the operator. Because you've stored the master data about the license as shown previously, very little information is required to be entered when a cash call is received. All the user requires to enter is to confirm the license number and equity group, and to provide the date of the cash call, the currency, and the amount. By entering the license number, the system can determine who the operator is, and therefore who requires to be paid, and on posting the cash call, sees this as an open item requiring payment. The cash call will, therefore, be included in payment programs run before the payment due date, ensuring the operator is paid. As well as storing the individual cash call against the license, the system also stores a cumulative total of cash calls issued for this license by the operator. This ensures that reconciliations are easily performed against the operator's statements. For most non-operated licenses, the other most common type of regular postings performed will be to record non-operated billings received from the operator. The Absoft JVB template contains pre-configured billing entry layouts, which reflect the OLF numbering structure which will be shown on the operator's expenditure report. This provides users with an easy method to transcribe figures from the billing onto the corresponding OLF line on screen. Pre-configured mappings exist to ensure that when posted, the OLF lines are stored against the correct general ledger account and cost codes for the license. This means that as soon as the billing is posted, the values are visible on reports run against the license, with costs shown in the desired internal reporting structure without any further mapping or reposting required. In summary, Absoft's JVB template makes the handling of non-operated licenses simple and intuitive. At the outset of the license, a one-time activity is performed to store key master data about the license in the system. This enables the user to minimize the amount of data entry when cash calls are received. Only the variable information around dates and amounts are input for each license, with the system using the master data to determine the operator to be paid, and therefore the bank details to use in the payment program. The Absoft JVB template also simplifies data entry when the billing is received from the operator. Predefined OLF layout is presented on screen, and the user can simply transfer the values from the same level on the expenditure report. For further information about the Absoft JVB template for the Norwegian continental shelf, please contact Absoft using the contact shown. Let's look at how